Hello and welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial from IT Army, and this is tutorial number 78, and in this video we are going to talk about match and index function. So let's get started. Match function basically returns the position of this lookup value in this array. So for instance, over here I have a couple of numbers and I want to find out that what is the position of number 20 in this list. So for that I'm going to use equals to match, and what is the lookup value? This is the lookup value, comma, and in which lookup array you want to look for. So it could be a row or it could be a column. So you click on select this list and then I press on enter, and showing you that 20 is at position number 2. And it also does the range lookup. So if I type in 15 and I press enter, is giving me 1. So how this works is gonna give me the largest value that is smaller than the lookup value. So 10 is smaller than this lookup value, so it's gonna give me position number 1. If you wanna go for an exact match, so I can say equals to match. This is the value I'm looking up for, comma, and in this array I'm gonna look up for, comma, and the last argument is optional, and I want to go for exact match. You can pass in number 0, and then when I press enter key, you're gonna say saying NA. So if I pass in 10, it's 1, it's 20 is there, but 25 is not available. Then third option available over there is greater than, so it's gonna give me the smallest value that is larger than the lookup value. So for that thing, the first requirement is that the data should be in descending order. I'm gonna sort it from largest to smallest, and then I'm gonna say equals to match. This is the value I'm looking up for, comma, and this is the array in which I'm gonna look up for, comma, and give me the greater than value. So -1 is the argument you need to pass, and when I press enter, you're gonna see it's giving me 2. So 25. So what is the value that is bigger than 25? And that is 30, and the position of 30 is number 2, so that's why you are getting 2 over here. So this is how we can use the match function. Now moving on to the index function. Index functions again have got two forms. The first form receives an array, and then you specify from that array you want to get the value from which position, or row number, or row or column number. So let's say over here you have a list and you want to say that I want to find the element located at position number 2. So I can say equals to index. In this array I'm going to look up for, comma, I want to get the item located at position number 2, and then you can see the last option is optional. So when I press enter, is gonna give me that 3 is located at position number 2. And if I type in 3, is gonna give me 7. This also works on two-dimensional data. So if you have rows and columns, so I can say I want to get the data at row number 2 and column number 3. So row number 2 is this one and column number 3 is this one. So this should give me 34. So I can say equals to index, what is the array you are looking for, comma, what is the row number, comma, what is the column number, and enter, and you get 34. So this is how we can use the index function. The second flavor was, we can see over here that we have different areas. So I can say that I want to get from row number 2, column number 2, and area number 2. So let's consider like this is area number 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So for that thing, what I need to do is I'm going to say equals to index, and now over here, in case of references, you need to put 4 areas within parentheses. So I put parentheses, and then I'm going to select the first area, comma, the second area, comma, the third area, comma, and then the fourth area. And then I'm going to close the parentheses, comma, and then what is the row number you are interested in? That is row number 2, comma, what is the column number? That is also 2, comma, from which area you want to get the data, so that is also number 2, and close the parentheses, and let's press enter. So you are getting 52. So let's see, the area number 2 is this one, row number 2 is this, and column number 2 is this. So this way we are getting 52. So this is how we can use the match and index function. So hope you like this video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.